All right, I'm back. I had to get some stuff done yesterday and I wasn't ready to put these things in my ears again. But I did download the app. I got my passcode going and it says, please ensure to remove all plastic and adhesive tape. Done that. All right, welcome Antoine. Are you ready to discover your perfect sound? Yes, stick it in my ears. Ouch. Find a quiet space. The Nuraphone uses a patented technology, yada, yada, yada. Make sure the ear tips are facing away from you. Continue. All right, you know what, before I go through with this, that is one thing. I mean, there are several things I don't like about these headphones. First of all, they're not clearly labeled left and right. I mean, yeah, I get it. There's some design cues that tell you which is left to right, like the charging port and the direction of the ear is supposed to go inside, like forward into your ear canal. But seriously, like that's a basic headphone thing, like left, right. Next thing I can't stand is the fact that you have a proprietary cable. Like that's some BS, like USB, micro USB. I would accept micro USB, even though I would prefer USB-C. And last but not least, these things don't fold up anyway. They don't swivel or fold, so they are non-transportable unless you want to screw them up. So yeah, that's part of the list of things I really can't stand about these headphones. But let's just keep going into this. Make sure the ear tips fit comfortably in your ears. Dude, this is not gonna go well. They don't fit comfortably in my ears. It's just disgusting. It's a nasty feeling. All right, so it says open Bluetooth settings, turn on the Bluetooth and select your Nuraphones from the device list. Open Bluetooth settings. Okay, I don't see Nuraphones. Oh, I'm supposed to put them on my head. Okay. Oh, God dang it. Son of a, okay. This is awful. It's such a violating experience. Hello, welcome to your new Nuraphones. Wow. Okay. It's talking to me. Oh, I don't like this feeling. Ouch.
Oh God, he took my innocence.
Okay, Nuraphone 274. They're not very comfortable. Like, no. Okay, going back to the app. Ugh. Dude, I can't. No. What would I like to call my new hearing profile? I don't know. What should we call it? We'll call it JDL Sound. Man, these things are smart. Okay, so yeah, it feels weird in my left ear. It's not sealed in there. And I guess it kind of just knows. It knows it's not, wow, it knows. Okay, let's run that test again. I don't know what's up with that ear tip. Ugh. When it goes in, like that first insertion.
What the hell was that?
Shit. All right, they're gonna run a test. All right, now it's processing the personalization. That was some space age stuff it just did there. Okay, so right now it's playing a sample song without the profile engaged. And then I get to engage the profile to see the difference. Okay, so this is neutral. Sounds pretty good, neutral. Now let me do personalized. Wow. It sounds pretty good, neutral. But then when you personalize it, wow. It's like you go into the music. Oh, that's cool. Okay, hold on. Your Nuraphones use over-ear drivers that create a feeling of live performance. Okay, hold on. I turn it all the way down. Okay, and that's low, and then front row. Okay. That's a lot of bass. Wow, it's like having a bass slider. But it straight up muddies the music. Muddies it out completely. That's a lot of bass though. No, let's turn that down. Touch button. Oh, They actually do work. Okay, so let's set up the touch buttons. So you get to, these are buttons right here on the side, and you get to install, like you get to configure them to what you want. That's fly, I like that. All right, turning the headphones on and off. Your headphones automatically turn on when you put them on and go to sleep and preserve battery when you take them off. Okay, so there's no power button. I like that, I like that. All right, everything's personalized. Let's finish this up. Okay, I'm not used to the whole thing in my ear right now, but it's like growing on me, if that makes sense. It's like, okay, I'm never gonna be used to this because it's earbuds in your ear, and like, who wants earbuds in their ear long term? So it's, I would not say these are long listening session headphones because this is not comfortable. But it's not as awkward. Like, so over the period of time it's taken to set this up, the awkwardness has subdued a little bit. All right, so I gotta upgrade the software. Oh Lord. It takes 20 minutes to complete. Okay, let me upgrade the software. I'll be right back.